So here at Roper Mountain, as you can see behind me, we are really actively engaging our students in STEM learning through unique hands-on experiences. Behind me we have an energy lab going where we engage students in a story-based scenario where we need their help to create energy through a solar lab, a wind lab, and electromagnet lab. They spend the day here learning about energy, being engaged and inspired, and learning about careers as well, what opportunities they could have looking at their future. And we're able to open their eyes, show them different careers, and get them thinking about their future in a hands-on and fun way to explore science. So here at Roper Mountain, it's a unique facility in that while we are focused on our students, we also have a role within the community. And so we were fortunate to renovate our planetarium last year and come along with community partners to actually raise an additional over $400,000 so that we could put in a state-of-the-art projection system that our students will benefit from, but also you can come on Friday Starry Nights as a family, as a community member, and see the state-of-the-art system that we have right here at Roper Mountain. In addition, we have added summer programmings like our Butterfly Adventure, where we've had over 16,000 visitors from Greenville, from beyond, across the state, across the country, coming to take part in this immersive habitat that we have in our rainforest. Again, utilizing the unique spaces that we have here at Roper Mountain to really provide engaging educational opportunities for students and for our community. Here at Roper Mountain, we are just invested in our students and the community, and our vision for the future is to continue to grow and to be a national leader in science education for our students, for our community, and for the country.